Maya, let's start off with your personal journey, a little bit about you and what you have achieved so far.
Categorize मैं ऐसे ही करना चाहूँगा. I'm still a struggling, aspiring entrepreneur. Cousin of mine was bringing a food chain to Pakistan. उसने मुझे approach किया कि let's start working on something. I went to multiple companies. Everyone failed to deliver. Failure से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा डराया जाता है.
Why do you think economic empowerment is important for a female?
I think economic empowerment is extremely important. Fundamental human right. Education, exposure, and awareness is severely lacking. Shortcuts. I feel like we love shortcuts as a nation as well. But that's no recipe to success. Advice that I would give to everyone is that you need to kind of get out of your comfort zone.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Hira with another episode of the Empowered Circle. आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, he is a 27+ year old male. इन्होंने इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है. He is currently an entrepreneur, running his own agency by the name of Cloud, जिसमें इन्होंने 100+ ब्रांड्स के साथ काम किया है एंड 20,000+ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं इनके पोर्टल पे. He constantly believe in innovation and technology and is revamping the overall influencer marketing sector of Pakistan. I'm talking about none other than Maher Sarfaraz. Assalamualaikum Maher, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me, Hira. Thank you so much for having me over here. Hope you're doing well as well.
Yes, all good. Hope you're well.
जी अल्लाह का शुक्र बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
Acha Maher, let's start off with your personal journey, a little bit about you and what you have achieved so far.
Categorize मैं ऐसे ही करना चाहूँगा. I'm still a struggling, aspiring entrepreneur, but God's been very kind. Alhamdulillah, there are things that have happened. और उम्मीद यही है कि with time they kind of improve. I come from a very diverse background. मेरी बचपन की जो schooling है, like when I was 5-6 years old, I was in Gujranwala Cant. So I started off with a military background. फिर we shifted to Lahore. I did all my schooling from HSN College, so I was there till my A-levels. और उसके बाद wasn't a very smart student, but again God was kind, so I somehow managed going into LUMS. LUMS में I started with law as my major, but ended up finding political science much more मेरे साथ ज़्यादा अलाइन कर रही थी. So that's something that I went on with.
अच्छा, बहुत डाइवर्सिटी है.
बहुत डाइवर्सिटी है. लॉ टू पॉलिटिकल साइंस, बीच में इकोनॉमिक्स भी इन्वॉल्व हुई. लकीली बिफोर आई ग्रेजुएटेड एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ हुई मेरे साथ, दैट बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी एक्सपेरिमेंटल. तो मैंने एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का कोर्स ले लिया फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट. और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कोर्स था वो, बिकॉज उसमें आपका जो इंस्ट्रक्टर था, दे मेक यू इन 4 ग्रुप्स and they give you 20,000 rupees at the start of the course.
Not bad.
Not bad. 20,000, yeah. And you need to, by the end of the semester, establish a business with that money. And obviously the best business gets the best grade, right? So वहाँ से I feel like मेरा entrepreneurial career और the entrepreneurial gist that you kind of develop, वो वहाँ से शुरू हुई. and I feel like that was probably the most important aspect or the most important decision that I made. Because अक्सर in retrospect when you look back, तो in Pakistan generally I feel like आपकी चाहे family हो, चाहे society हो, चाहे आपकी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, the push towards entrepreneurship
इतना
नहीं है. So वो एक luckily for the course sake of it I started that was my first venture as well.
But you always wanted to do something on your own. कुछ अपना ही करना
So
था
before doing that I had no idea, right? LUMS में and other universities I feel like as well, the drive to go towards a very well settled multinational job is a lot more. मेरे अंदर भी वही थी, just like with everyone else over there. So there was this race to secure your position with Nestle or RB or all these companies. लेकिन luckily वो मैंने किया, and that went up really well. So it was an events business, Barracuda के नाम से. We used to do curated themed events and used to sell tickets for them. So I started off really well, but again I couldn't tell my parents, this is what I want to do with my life. And again उस वक्त आप भी you're not as confident within yourself, so you kind of follow जो बाकी सारे लोग चीज़ें कर रहे होते हैं. I applied for multiple jobs. Again, adding more to my diversity, I got a job with Hotel Parco, जो आपकी oil marketing company है. But the interesting part was that I was based in Sargodha.
Oh.
So yeah, so 2.5 years of my life, this is again something a lot of people don't know. 2.5 years of my life, I was traveling between Sargodha, Miawali, Dera Ismail Khan Bhakkar, your
And how was the exposure? Because Lahore से shift to
I think very very necessary. मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा एक sheltered ज़िंदगी में गुजारा था in Lahore in my own bubble because HS and the lums and all of that. लेकिन मेरे ख्याल में again looking back in perspective, it was बहुत very important for multiple reasons. ये आपके जो bubbles हैं with regards to how the real world is working kind of set in. It was a very difficult job. I feel like retail sales on site, working with distributors and dealers were from there across a network of 40 retail stations. So मुश्किल चीज़ थी, but very important to develop a good work ethic.
और कितनी देर आपने वहाँ पे किया?
2.5 years.
Okay.
So after graduation, I was there for 2.5 years. लेकिन उसके बीच में ही I started feeling एक contentment होती है with something that you're doing. So I felt that was going away. But whenever I used to talk about this with family or friends, एक instant feedback ही आता था कि it's a 6-figure job. You have a car, you have all these services.
Sadly, money has always been the motivation.
It has
factor,
been, right?
Yeah.
Lekin internally, and because I had a lot of time to myself over there, right? There was literally no social activity over there. So वहाँ पे मैं यही सोचता था कि I know a lot of people doing businesses. I have always been very confident in my own skill set as well. तो मुझे उधर बैठ के बहुत ज़्यादा इस तरह के ख्याल आते थे कि मायर अगर तुम मैच स्टिक्स भी बेचो या अगर तुम पेन्स भी बेचो एनीथिंग you can end up making up the money that you're making over there. But the main thing is the support that in other parts of the world you get from government institutions, you get from banks, you get from families and other things as well. खैर उसके बीच में ही I kind of a cousin of mine was bringing a food chain to Pakistan, Expectation के नाम से.
Okay.
And he wanted help because so हमेशा से क्योंकि मैं job ये करता but the Barracuda thing stayed alive. I kept doing events, I kept building a community around me of people, of like-minded people. तो वो चीज़ was somewhere in people's mind. So उसने मुझे approach किया कि let's start working on something. And very good of him. He did not ask for anything in return. He just kind of enabled me to start something that's bigger than just a small business. और वहाँ पे the Cloud का idea kind of came into existence. And the initial idea भी यही था कि we build a digital marketplace, which comes with its own challenges. It's not easy working on tech products in Pakistan.
Definitely.
Especially if you're working out of your own pocket money, which was almost negligible. लेकिन वहाँ से एक सफ़र शुरू हो गया towards wherever I am today, a long way to go. But yeah, so वहाँ पे Cloud came into existence and Cloud ever since, alhamdulillah, has worked with over 100 brands. We've partnered with over 2,000 influencers. So that is the money that's gone through us.
And you guys have international clients also, or are these
so there's an evil distribution of MNCs. I'd call them international clients, multinational clients, or your local companies. We're working with both. And again, I feel like word of mouth is a very strong thing. So we recently locked up a client working in LA as well.
Great.
So aista yeah, things are going well. Or again, I feel like when I say कि Cloud शुरू हुआ था, this again I feel like this podcast should be a good message to people to kind of know that things do not happen by themselves. So मुझे साल लगा in just working on the product. I went to multiple companies. Everyone failed to deliver it. Bad promises, bad timelines. I kind of got demotivated not to do any of it at all. Then I ran into my partners, which is, some of them, Sharia, Arman, and all these people. And then it started from scratch from there again. So the point of me is kind of mentioning this is that nothing obviously comes easy, right?
Overnight कुछ नहीं होता.
Overnight भी कुछ नहीं होता और setbacks के बगैर भी कुछ नहीं होता. And while my journey in Sargodha or my life in Sargodha and my life over here might seem polar opposites, मेरे ख्याल में एक चीज़ जो मुझे वहाँ से सीखने को मिली, and that is why I encourage people, younger cousins, younger friends that I meet, के get out of your comfort zone. There's no other way to find yourselves entrepreneurially, and also there's no other way to become confident in who you are.
अच्छा, I want to ask कि जो आपकी टोटल पार्को की जॉब थी, वो बहुत इजीली मिल गई थी या स्ट्रगलिंग था?
So I feel like I was never a student with flying colors, right? And GPA is always a big kind of आपका prerequisite into finding jobs. So I applied. Most of the clients alhamdulillah that I'm working with now have all rejected me at one point working for them. So टोटल पार्को की I feel like मुझे जॉब इसलिए मिल गई थी. I have a rural background. So when I went in for the interview, what they're looking for or what they were looking for was people who can go and live in these places and develop a connection with the distributors network. और उसमें आपकी जो language barrier है और आपकी comfortableness in being around those people matters a lot. So the fact that I'm from a rural setting, चकवाल से हमारा ताल्लुक है, and I visit a lot, तो मेरी पंजाबी speaking skills, मेरी उन चीज़ों को समझने की skills was slightly better. So it was probably the last of the interviews that I was doing. अगर मैं ये ना करता तो then I was probably joining a very small boutique fashion store. So, but again, God made it happen. I was in Sirgoda for 2.5 years. The company didn't want me to leave. My parents didn't want me to leave. They were shifting me to Lahore. But again, उस वक्त भी मेरी सोच यही थी कि if you don't do it now, maybe it becomes too late for you to take that step, because you get so comfortable with the idea of a paycheck कि बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि आप you go back to maybe relying on your parents' money for a bit, which is again uncomfortable because you're used to कि आप अपने पैसे कमा रहे हो, और उससे ज़्यादा I feel like फेलियर से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा डराया जाता है, और फेलियर के बगैर देयर इज नो अदर वे टू बिकम लेकिन अगेन यहाँ पे भी एक प्रिविलेज चेक आ जाता है. इफ़ आई हैड टू pay for my family's house rentals, for food in the house, for a family or for kids, so maybe I couldn't have taken that step. So again, I feel like आपके circumstances बहुत ज़्यादा define करते हैं. So that is where I say that entirely as a society, on a family level, on a national level, we need to encourage young students and young people to go towards this.
I want to ask back in the days when we were in university, like 3, 4, 5 years back, entrepreneurship का इतना concept नहीं था, बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. ठीक है, हमें jobs के लिए नेस्ले वगैरह आके आपको job में किस तरह successful हो सकते हैं उसकी training मिल रही होती थी, but not with respect to entrepreneurship. Why do you think ये like, and why the sudden shift now?
I think it's very unfortunate, and I still feel like there is not that sudden shift, because जो मेरे साथ एक experience हुआ, I was probably 30 from a batch of 1,000 students, or probably even more. I think only 15 or 20 of us ended up starting their own ventures. Some went towards the government side, most of them are towards the corporate side. So मेरा ख्याल है वो shift अभी तक नहीं आया. वो shift बहुत ज़रूरी है, because मैं ये भी नहीं कहूँगा कि आप you can instantly start your businesses, because you need to develop that work ethic working with a multinational or a very solid company, because आपको काम करने का तरीका, organization and all that you understand. But I don't think that shift is there. I hope that shift comes in soon. वो क्यों नहीं है उसके I feel like कुछ बहुत basic वजूहात हैं. I feel like the mindset that we have is more steered towards safety, right? So अगर मैं graduate हो रहा हूँ, and let's look at it from a business sense, right? Someone's invested money in me, being your family, and they obviously want the safest return. That is what we do, not just with education or students. अगर आप पाकिस्तान का investment mindset भी देखें और investment portfolios देखें, most of our money is lying under the ground.
True.
Again, why? Because it's the safest or considered the safest way. So I feel like वही mindset is replicating in all other domains as well. तो I think ये होता है इसलिए कि एक बच्चा है, वो पढ़ के निकल रहा है, उसको एक अच्छी decent salary मिल जाए, वो उसका career start हो जाए, right? Because there are lesser examples जो now I feel like बहुत ज़्यादा, both with men and female, I feel like some people have done incredible jobs, motivating so many of us. Examples are, there's Iza who runs Pictor Iza. I think she's doing an amazing job.
She is,
There's Zain who runs Rasta. He was a senior in HSN. So इस तरह के लोग हैं जिनकी वजह से people are getting motivated. I feel like they're very skilled. लेकिन main वजह is that safety mindset, and from jobs to if you earn money, it translates into money going into dead ground.
And I also believe education or institution name does not, it is also not enough for you to land up on a good job, because I know a lot of LUMs and LSE के graduates जो कि अभी भी job hunt पे हैं. It is sad, and it has nothing to do with male or female. It's just वो हम कहते हैं ना कि जो जितने top institutions होंगे आपको शायद easy हो जाए आपके लिए, या maybe the job market now is very tough.
Saturated.
Yes.
Also I feel like it's unfortunate. जब मैं graduate हुआ था, it's been 6 years. I feel like the rate of dollar when I graduated was, I don't know, 180. Or maybe even lesser than that, 150 पे होगा. Now it's almost doubled. But when I ask people who are graduating what salaries they're getting onto, it's still the same, right? So the cost of living has multiplied by more than 2. लेकिन दूसरी चीज़ is not happening. Again, one point I want to repeat is कि unfortunate इसलिए I don't feel like there's a lack of money in Pakistan. There's not a lack of opportunity either. But just imagine the amount of money जो ज़मीनों के अंदर पड़ी. If people had started businesses, the amount of people who would have benefited, जितने आप लोगों को employment देते, जितने उनके घर चलते, जितने उनकी वजह से आगे society में एक चीज़ आती. So I feel like at a very macro level this needs to start happening, because उसी तरह होगा, because you might find one odd cases who were able to break through all of these barriers, लेकिन generally your universities aren't making this happen. They're not very encouraging towards entrepreneurship. अब जाके I feel like there are आपके लम्स के अंदर भी इस तरह की कुछ societies भी खुल गई हैं, आपके स्टार्टअप बूट कैंप्स भी होना शुरू हो गए हैं. सो होपफुली आई फील लाइक दैट गोज इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. बट इन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का एक फ़ायदा, अगेन वाइल वी सेज ऑल थिंग्स आर नॉट राइट, कुछ बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें ही हैं कि in the practical world what I've seen, and again most people say, is your soft skills come into hand the most.
Yes.
So how you're communicating, आप बात किस तरह कर रहे हो, how do you present yourself, your critical thinking, which kind of comes into play through sports, through societies, through politics, ये सारी चीज़ें make you a more sharp human
person.
being. Yeah.
Yes.
So वो चीज़ें अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत ज़्यादा थी in LUMS, and while I was badly struggling with my grades, उन
You
चीज़ों
were
में
good at co-curricular.
I was like, I used to live, breathe, eat, everything was around the student politicals affairs. So उससे होता ये कि I think a very big part of businesses or working jobs is understanding human interaction. What to say, how to say,
When
कब
to say.
कहना है, कैसे कहना है. तो वो चीज़ें I feel like in universities like LUMS, LSE, IBA, it's going very well. I hope all other universities start doing the same things. But generally, there needs to be a push from us, from the government and everyone towards more entrepreneurial mindsets.
Ashwa Mare, if I ask you, name some important female, जिन्होंने आपकी लाइफ में बहुत important role play किया है, who would that they be?
I think my mother for sure, and I just don't say it for the sake of it. ये example again, when people hear this, they are kind of amused. It's not amusing, but people find it amusing. So जब हम graduate करते from A level, so I have a twin sister. And one of my sisters is just a year elder. So we're all the same age, right? So जब हमारे university plans और ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही थी, whatever the planning was, eventually what happened was that I stayed in LUMS. One of my sisters went to London to Imperial College, and one of them went to Warwick. So the girls were studying abroad, and the boy was here, which was very weird for a lot of people when they used to hear this, because it's generally considered to be the other way around. So this didn't just happen by itself. I feel like my parents have enabled both me, but even more so my sisters. और वो बहुत ज़रूरी है I feel like in this society. My mother herself was an army doctor. She took a retirement from the army. She did her MBA. And now she was working with a national Ministry of Planning and Development में, and now she's working with international forums to elevate women empowerment, women health and women education.
Right.
So I feel like she's been a very inspiring role. जो मेरे अंदर एक grit है to not to never stop or to keep running for success and running for a better life. I think it comes from there, and also seeing how well my sisters are now doing because of the opportunity that they got. And why they got that opportunity was because my mother had that mindset to ensure that they go for the best of education, they get the best of degrees. So one is working in London, she's with Barclays. The other is a fashion stylist. So again, very different trajectories that they've taken. But again, the common part with maybe all three of us is the fact that our parents, while did give us the best of the best, also they instilled that belief that you need to do it yourself. Like your parents won't be here forever, because again वो भी तभी आते हैं. So I feel like if I was, and again everyone has different circumstances. I do come from a business family, but when I was graduating, so the business wasn't doing really well. So my dad didn't want my first experience to come into a business which is kind of financially in trouble. So he did say that you take your own trajectory, later let's see what it happens. लेकिन जब आपको वो एक fear instill होता है, again from a point of privilege, because alhamdulillah God has given a lot, but when that fear comes in that if you don't do well for yourself, you will not end up anywhere, right? So वो चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I feel like my mother's played a very important role. I see my sister, who's a stylist, doing international styling gigs in Mexico, in London, in Turkey. So it's inspiring to see that people around you are doing so well. और इनकी वजह से फिर मैंने इतने और लोगों को, because what happens is that especially with women, I feel like that's changing now, alhamdulillah. लेकिन होता है इस तरह कि जिस तरह मेरी बहनें जब बाहर पढ़ने गई, तो a lot of other people in my family then also thought कि it's okay. A lot of their friends' parents thought that it's okay. So आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चीज़ एक develop होती है. But I do feel like there are a lot of women doing great stuff. But for me, I have a lot of heroes sitting inside home. Yeah.
I think so. We should call your mom.
I think she would be.
As well.
I think she would be a very relevant, and she would love to come, because उनका काम, I think it's been over 20-25 years that she's worked with all USAID, आपकी Punjab government, your federal government. Now she's working with WHO. So
she must have some great insights to give.
she
so,
would,
yeah.
she would. और उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा traveling frequently is towards Africa, is towards all of these places to go and see what's happening. And again, I'm a little technically unaware of what happens, but I think she'd be a better fit than I am over there. Yeah.
So, Meyer, keeping in view the current status quo, we see that there's a huge gender digital divide, right? Unfortunately, अभी भी वो gap exist करता है जहाँ पे like I'm not saying it's like a male versus female competition going on, but sadly हम जिस तरह के माशरे में रह रहे हैं, जिस तरह की patriarchal society है, उसके अंदर इकोनॉमिक एम्पावरमेंट का जो स्कोप विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फीमेल्स है वो अभी भी उस लेवल तक नहीं है जितना आप ग्लोबली देख रहे हैं, राइट? सो आई वुड लाइक यू टू कमेंट ऑन दैट कि ये ब्रिज हम किस तरह गैप को कर सकते हैं, एंड व्हाई डू यू थिंक economic empowerment is important for a female?
I think economic empowerment is extremely important, whether that's a male or female. I think the question, I'm sorry for this, the question should stop, or people should stop thinking of it as a gender thing, because I feel like financial empowerment, education, economic empowerment,
it's a fundamental right.
It's a fundamental human right? So, एक तो वो चीज़ है कि whenever I want to address something like this, I look at it from a human lens, regardless of the genders. But secondly, I feel like a bigger part of our country, unfortunately, and I feel like इसका भी जो issue है वो at a very macro level is education, right? Education, exposure and awareness is severely lacking in majority parts of our country. हम कभी कभार भूल जाते हैं कि KLI is not the entirety of the country, and because you guys work a lot with rural areas, I come from a rural area, तो उधर जाके you get a reality check, you know, while there are, because problems in your urban city still exist, but there is a quicker progression towards a changing lifestyle. Because मैं अगर अपनी family का ही lifestyle देखूँ and the things that we were okay with then and now, there's a huge change. True. But when I visit my rural home ground, वहाँ पे the progress is, it's happening, but it's probably happening at a little space. उसके लिए I do not blame a certain individual or a certain aspect. I feel like it's a bigger national problem. और national problem जब भी आती है तो उसके अंदर multiple ambits होते हैं. And I feel like unfortunately Pakistan has never gotten that steadiness to invest in the things which deserve investment, which is health, which is education. अभी भी budget में पढ़ा था, and again the smallest part of the budget was again health and education, right? शायद कुछ चीज़ों से ज़्यादा हो, but I feel like जो उसको importance मिल रही है it's very less, because जब तक आप पढ़ोगे नहीं, जब तक आप schools में नहीं जाओगे, universities में नहीं जाओगे, जब तक आपकी कुछ चीज़ें normalize नहीं होंगी, तब तक ये नहीं हो सकता. And I feel like there need to be more examples that come out forward and changes thinking mindset. That being said, which is the negative side, I want to shed some light on the positive side. वो ये है कि in this day and age, because of technology, because of your smartphones, access to the world has become very easy, right? How we use that access is up to us, but there is no more use getting stopped from reading things up on the internet, watching videos on internet. जो भी आपका skill set है, whether you're a cook, you can learn how to become a better cook from there, and there are multiple ambits like that. That being said, हमने बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसी examples देखी है, especially in the digital influencer marketing landscape, where a lot of females are now supporting their families, where a lot of males are now supporting their families. A lot of content creators, for example, Arshad Reels from Sialkot, who would have thought around him that his family would get elevated in this way? So ये examples need to come ahead. But जहाँ पे हम बात करें कि आपकी औरतें और वो जो divide है, वो I feel like is a very core primary issue. We can try, agencies like you can try, कि we go over there, we meet these people.
But government level पे कुछ होना is very important.
It needs to happen on the government level, whether you set up training centers. People need to realize that more money is being made now than ever, right? Because the speed of transactions, the speed of getting content posted, getting content made has all increased and multiplied. Companies and brands from Pakistan and across the world have started investing a lot of money into this affair. And everyone is eligible to kind of, or capable to kind of do something with it. Whether you're a creator, whether you're a manager, whether you're anything of that sort, वो करना आसान है. But the effort needs to be not just individual or a corporate level effort, needs to be a national priority.
And I also feel कि I get it that you do not have that kind of information, like education, I get that, but you have the skill. Because अगर हम बात करते हैं जिन ख़वातीन को हम cater कर रहे हैं, जो उकाड़ा, बहावलपुर के बहुत छोटे कस्बों से belong करती हैं, उनको नहीं आती होगी अंग्रेजी में बात करना, इट्स फाइन,
Which is
बट
okay.
उनको स्टिचिंग, निटिंग इतनी फिट वो कर
आती
लेती
है।
हैं, राइट? सो अगर वो उसी को ही
आगे
डिजिटली,
लेके चली जाए।
एग्जैक्टली,
सो आप यही देखेंगी what the good thing going about social media is, कल कोई बता रहा था कि how Korean skincare became an entire phenomena just because of
Exactly,
TikTok, right?
yes.
So even if you stitch well and you know one thing that is better than what the other people do it, like start posting about that, right? You build your own community, even if it's 200 people, at least you start earning the bread and butter over there.
बट आई थिंक सो यहाँ पे फिर वो पेट्रियार्कल
आ
माइंडसेट का
जाता है।
एक बहुत बड़ा
आ जाता
मसला
है
है ना।
और अगेन जहाँ पे पेट्रियार्कल माइंडसेट आ रहा है वहाँ पे दो ही चीज़ें हैं हिरा इन माय ओपिनियन व्हिच कैन चेंज दैट। ईदर यू produce examples from every locality, which is not a hard task to do if the government is supporting you, right? Because how hard is, आपके पास सारों के डेटाज हैं, you know कौन कितना पढ़ा हुआ है, कितने घर में कितनी औरतें हैं, वो क्या क्या कर रही हैं. So if there is even a minute support of lending you that data or giving you that access to meet these people and have a conversation, and you create one example in say one union council, that's how you term smaller areas, right? Other people will follow, because अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि that fear which I probably had before becoming an entrepreneur is there with parents who might be okay with it, but what will the society say? But if the society produces 5-6 very strong examples, then वो आपका trend शुरू होना शुरू हो जाता है. I feel like in the 60s 70s it happened with people starting to travel abroad, starting to settle abroad, and फिर you know आपकी बाकी भी फिर जो society है वो करना शुरू कर देती है. एक example मैं लूँगा क्योंकि आप language barrier की बात कर रही थी. There's this boy called Wahab 101, जिसकी बहुत ज़्यादा reels got very famous because whatever he required in life he used to travel 3.5 kilometers to go and get it. अब ना वो बंदा बात उस तरह करता है the way your usual content creators do, but because he was authentic,
Yes.
People saw the originality.
They could relate to it.
They could relate to it. So while it's still difficult for people to kind of come onto these platforms, I feel like आपकी जितनी भी the world civilization has gone by, it's never been easier either, because now connectivity and all is all over there. So I just feel like some thinking at a national policy level towards these things
Yes,
could change
the
a
need
lot,
of the
right?
hour.
Because and I know a lot of people because we work in this industry where we've seen a lot of female influencers, some I know personally as well, who are literally running their houses based on the income that they're earning. So it's no more an informal economy sector.
और अब influencer marketing is a whole, like it's a whole new
It's
stream.
a whole new stream. So usme I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It's an alternative to your out of home marketing. It's an alternative to how things used to run conventionally. But again, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि while we are having these conversations, I hope this gets to the right people as well. These conversations need to be happening at policy levels. Because आपकी again, but where I get disappointed and kind of maybe I lose my hope is कि अगर health और education को अभी तक it's not getting the right priority, how can we imagine digital marketing and all these skills going on there? But I hope it happens. We can just be kind of optimistic about this.
it.
Yeah.
Ashmar, any comments to the male and female population of Pakistan with respect to pursuing their dreams, and for males supporting and being allies for women and a pillar of strength?
अच्छा, एक चीज़ again regardless of the gender that I want to mention is and it's probably coming after years or so. I've had a professional career of almost 6 years. एक चीज़ that we need to develop as a nation is a good work ethic.
Yes.
Regardless of who we are, where we're from. And this problem I've not only seen in marketing, I've seen it with salespeople, I've seen it with all across the board. So एक work ethic develop करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and I feel like वो work ethic develop होता है at a younger age in your life. And then with your educational institutes, the grit that they put you through is where you develop it. Because without that work ethic, no matter what opportunities are being provided, it's very hard for you to sustain or build a career anywhere.
And I believe work ethic is directly linked with your core values, because
It
वो
is.
आप किसी में instill
It
नहीं
is.
कर सकते हो.
So when you say work ethic, some people might think कि वो work ethic develops over a year. It doesn't.
No.
Your family has a role to play.
Definitely.
Your surroundings have a role to play. Your educational institutes have a role to play, and then the workforce kind of polishes whatever is already there. But I feel like unfortunately बहुत ज़्यादा there is a severe lack of work ethic all across boards, right? Whether you're working with again no names to be taken, चाहे वो MNC हो, चाहे वो startup हो, चाहे वो government institute हो, चाहे आप किसी दुकानदार के पास जा रहे हो, यू विल सी इन ऑल प्लेसेस, स्पेशली इफ यू ट्रैवल अ लिटिल अब्रॉड एज वेल, कि हर छोटे छोटे इंटरेक्शन में देयर समथिंग मिसिंग. And what's missing is the right attitude, I feel like, towards work and towards life. Shortcuts, I feel like we love shortcuts as a nation as well. But that's no recipe to success. So एक तो ये चीज़ है कि we need to develop that work ethic generally as well. दूसरी advice that I would give to everyone is कि you need to kind of get out of your comfort zone. That comfort zone can be anything, right? But as long as you're not taking that one step, and it's also very important as to when you're taking that one step. I feel like your 20s, early 20s, late 20s is the time where you have some opportunity and some risk-taking ability as well. Because then life catches up to you. You get married, your family and pressures.
Your priorities change.
They change. So I think that step, uski tyari needs to start from in families and households since the kid is maybe graduating from A-levels. ताकि उसमें वो belief आना शुरू हो कि I can do it. Literally again मैं ज़हन की example देता हूँ, who's made this entire empire of a business which is Rasta. Your international celebrities are wearing it. Pakistan, it's one of the best selling work. He also just did it, right? He wasn't born into a fashion textile family. He did not have millions of dollars to invest. But again, that start needs to come in over there. So ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो कि again with examples, with societal support, with family support can kind of start.
Thank you so much, Maher, for coming over.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah,
this was actually great, and I really hope कि आप लोगों की जो भी efforts हैं towards women empowerment, they happen, and I hope people like us can be allies to kind of supporting you guys.
Thank you so much.